Here's an Excel formula that makes me feel like this every time I use it. It's called XLOOKUP, and here's how to use it. Let's say that you have a list of employee names, IDs, departments, years of experience, and the salaries, and you're in charge of looking up the department and years of experience for these given employee names. To do this, first type an equal sign, then type the function name XLOOKUP, type an open parentheses, and then for the first argument, we're going to select our lookup value, which would be our first employee name, because that's what we're looking up inside this table, type a comma, and for the next argument, our lookup array, we'll select the column that contains our lookup value. That would be the employee name column, so I'll select it, type another comma, and then for the next argument, we're going to select our return array. This is going to be the column or columns that include your department and years of experience, basically your desired output. So I'll select those columns, and then I'll type another comma for if not found. We can specify that we want to display D and E if the value is not found. So I'll type that in quotes, type another comma, and then type a 0 for an exact match. Then finally close it off, press enter, and then you can select your values, click and drag the fill handle, and that'll automatically look up all of your employee names information for you. For more Excel efficiency hacks, comment Excel and I'll DM you my 26 need to know Excel shortcuts cheat sheet.